Hello dear students of class 12th. Today I am going to start higher order derivatives. Higher order derivatives means differentiating a given function more than one time. Okay. Before explaining this topic, I want to explain that if y is equal to fx is a function, if y is equal to fx is a function, then its first order derivative can be denoted by dy over dx or f dash x or y1 or y dash. Means first order derivative can be represented by any one of the following way. Second, if y is equal to fx is any function, then second order derivative can be denoted by d square y over dx square or f double dash of x or y2 or y double dash. Means second order derivative can be represented by the following ways. Now dear students, in order to explain this topic, I am going to take some examples. So dear students, see the examples which are very important for the examination point of view. Let us take first example. Y is equal to a cos nx plus b sin nx. Then prove that d square y over dx square plus n square y is equal to 0. Okay? Now see. Here it is given y is equal to a cos nx plus b sin nx. Prove that d square y over dx square plus n square y is equal to 0. As we see d square y over dx square, तुरंत हमारे दिमाग में आता है कि डबल डेरिवेटिव फाइंड आउट करना होगा इसके अंदर. डी स्क्वायर वाई ओवर डी एक्स स्क्वायर को देखते ही हमारे दिमाग में आएगा कि डबल डेरिवेटिव फाइंड आउट करना है. तो सॉल्यूशन फर्स्ट y इज इक्वल टू a cos nx प्लस b sin nx dy over dx. Okay, before calculating the value of d square y over dx square, d square y over dx square को फाइंड आउट करने से पहले स्टेप बाय स्टेप आप चलेंगे. फर्स्ट फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ dy over dx. दिस इज व्हाट a differential of cos nx minus sin nx. This is the differential of sin nx is the differential of cos nx. Now differentiating nx, the differential of nx by using chain rule is n. So we obtain minus a n sin nx. Similarly here differential of b sin nx is b n cos nx. Okay. Now double derivative d square y over dx square is equal to what? Minus a n differential of sin cos nx, differential of nx, and so we obtain minus a n square cos nx. Here b n act as constant. Okay, इसलिए इसको बाहर लिया. differential of cos nx minus sin nx. Okay, now the differential of nx is what? N. So it is what? Minus bn square sin nx. d square y over dx square is equal to what? We can take common minus n square. We obtain a times of cos nx plus b times of sin nx. Okay, d square y over dx square is equal to what? Minus n square. Now you can see a cos nx plus b sin nx plus b sin nx is what? Y. So in place of a cos nx plus b sin nx we can put y. Implies that d square y over dx square plus n square y transfer किया इसको is equal to 0. Hence proved. Now dear students, in order to explain more, I am going to take another problem. See the next problem. Problem number second. Y is equal to 2 times of cos of log x plus 3 times of sin of log x. To prove x square into d square y over dx square plus x times of dy over dx plus y is equal to 0. Okay. See. Solution. Here y is equal to 2 cos log x plus 3 times of sin of log x. Okay. We have to prove x square multiplied with the double derivative plus x multiplied with the single derivative plus y is equal to 0. Okay. First we find single derivative dy over dx. 2 differential of cos minus sin log x. After cos differentiate log x upon x. Okay. Here 3 differential of sin cos log x. Differential of log x upon x. Okay. Now transferring x to the left hand side, x multiplied with dy over dx is equal to negative 2 times of sin of log x plus 3 times of cos of log x. Okay. Now again differentiating both sides, क्योंकि डबल डेरिवेटिव चाहिए, that's why again differentiating both sides with respect to x. Now see here, x is multiplied with dy over dx, so apply product rule here. First function differential of dy over dx, d square y over dx square. First function differential of second function plus second function dy over dx into differentiation of the first function, that is 1. Okay, equal to. Now differentiating here, first find out the differential of minus 2 sin log x, minus 2 sin differential cos log x. After sin log x, differential is 1 upon x. 3 differential of cos is minus sin log x. After that, after cos, differential of log x is what? 1 upon x. Again transferring this x to the left hand side, we obtain what? See here. X square d square y over dx square plus x times of dy over dx is equal to what? Negative 2 times of cos of log x, negative 3 times of sin of log x. We can take common negative. 2 times cos of log x, okay, plus 3 times sin of log x. Now dear students, see here, this is what? 2 cos log x plus 3 sin log x is what? Y. So this is what? Negative y. ट्रांसफर कर लीजिए इधर, तो हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगा? x स्क्वायर डी स्क्वायर वाई ओवर डी एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस x टाइम्स ऑफ dy ओवर dx, ओके, और इसको ट्रांसफर किया इधर, प्लस y इज इक्वल टू 0, हेंस प्रूव्ड. नाउ टू एक्सप्लेन मोर, आई एम गोइंग टू टेक अनदर प्रॉब्लम, माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स. सी द नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम हियर. I hope you understand both the problems. Now see next problem. Next problem is what? Y is equal to sin inverse x. This is given. Y is equal to sin inverse x is given. We have to prove that 1 minus x square d square y over dx square minus x times of dy over dx is equal to 0. Okay, see, to prove 1 minus x square multiplied with d square y over dx square means this is the second derivative. It means इस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए दो बार डिफरेंशिएट करना पड़ेगा. सॉल्यूशन dy over dx means differential. Sin inverse x differential is what? 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. Okay. Now we can write it as 1 minus x square raised to the power negative half. Now d square y over dx square means डिफरेंशियल किसका करना है? जो dy over dx निकल कर आया है. माइनस 1 अपॉन 2 डिफरेंशियल ऑफ 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर रेज टू द पावर नेगेटिव 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर रेज टू द पावर नेगेटिव 3 अपॉन 2. Then differential of 1 minus x square is negative 2x. Okay, you can see here cancel. We obtain what? Negative x multiplied with negative 1. We obtain positive x upon 1 minus x square raised to the power 3 upon 2. कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स ऐसी होती हैं जो डायरेक्ट सॉल्व हो जाती हैं, जैसे लास्ट 2 प्रॉब्लम्स में मैंने आपको शो किया. बट मोस्टली आपको मैं एक ट्रिक समझा रहा हूं कि whenever such type of problems are given, find d square y over dx square, dy over dx, and substitute the value of d square y over dx square here and dy over dx here, and simplify. यानी d square y over dx square निकाल लो, उसे यहां रख दो, dy over dx यहां सॉल्व करके रख दीजिए, और यहां सब्स्टिट्यूट करके ये 0 आना चाहिए. मोस्टली प्रॉब्लम्स में हम लोग इस तरीके से भी लॉजिक लगाते हैं. डिपेंड करता है प्रैक्टिस कितनी कर रहे हैं. जितना आप प्रैक्टिस करेंगे उतना ज्यादा आपको एडवांटेज होगा. देख सकते हैं. नाउ 1 minus x square multiplied with d square y over dx square. What is the value of d square y over dx square? X upon 1 minus x square raised to the power 3 upon 2 minus x times of the value of dy over dx. The value of dy over dx is what? We can write it as. Okay. When we simplify this portion, we obtain x upon under root of 1 minus x square minus x upon under root of 1 minus x square. This will be 0. Hence proved. Okay. Now, see the next problem. I hope you understand well what I want to explain. Now see next problem. If y is equal to tan inverse of x whole square, okay, then prove that 1 plus x square whole square multiplied with y2 plus 2x multiplied with 1 plus x square into y1 is equal to 2. Dear students, in the beginning I have already told you that y2 means double derivative, y1 means single derivative. Okay, now see solution, or you can write proof. Y is equal to tan inverse x whole square, then dy over dx is what? 2 times of tan inverse x, and after that differential of tan inverse x is what? 1 plus x square. Okay. Now, it can be written as 1 plus x square multiplied with the dy over dx is equal to 2 times of tan inverse x. Okay. Now, इस प्रॉब्लम में y2 means डबल डेरिवेटिव फाइंड आउट करना है. That's why differentiating again both sides with respect to x. First function, differentiation of the second function plus second function into differential of the first function is what? 2x. This is what? 2 upon 1 plus x square. Differential of 2 inverse x is what? 2 upon 1 plus x square. Now, transfer this 1 plus x square to the left hand side. We obtain 1 plus x square. Multiplied with 1 plus x square means whole square. D square y over dx square plus 2x into 1 plus x square into dy over dx is equal to 2. Now it can be written as 1 plus x square whole square. Double derivative means y2. Okay? Plus 2x multiplied with 1 plus x square multiplied with the single derivative y1 is equal to 2. Hence proved. My dear students, I hope you understand all the problems, and next problems will be uploaded in the next video. Thank you very much.